Okay, this is how we make the infamous in and out spread. It's sort of vaguely Thousand Island-ish. We start with 2 parts of mayonnaise here, and to that we add, say, about half a teaspoon of sugar, and we add just a little splash of vinegar, just a splash. Okay. And we add 2 parts ketchup. I'm sorry, 1 part ketchup. And then we add 2 parts relish. You want a sweet green relish. Okay. Then we mix that up. And it starts to take on a familiar flavor and texture. Now, sometimes they use a little bit of a finer relish. So there you go. Now this can be made ahead of time, or you can make this on the big day. I wouldn't keep this in the fridge more than 2 or 3 days. Unless you're in Canada or something, but I don't want to get into that. Okay, now, there we go. That's the infamous in and out spread. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment, do all that good stuff. Hope you enjoy.